All right, so y'all, this is a homework problem. This is problem number 10. I don't remember what section it is, okay? But it is problem number 10. It's dealing with the stem and leaf plots, okay? So y'all, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and draw our stem and leaf plot. So I'm gonna draw my little line. Y'all, in my lab, it already has it kind of set up for you, but I'm doing this here so that, for the student who had asked, how do I set this up? So I'm gonna draw my own stem and leaf plot here. Okay, so y'all, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to look for my smallest number. And it looks like my smallest number, if I'm looking at my chart here, guys, it looks like it's 36. So I'm going to put a 3 here and a 6 here. Remember, y'all, if you think about this, this is kind of like my place values. So I have my 10s, and I have my 1s. Okay, so I got a 36. Let me go ahead and get the 36 out of there. I'm curious, I'm looking to see if I have any other 30s, and it doesn't look like I do. So then the next one I'm going to go to, y'all, I'm going to go to the 40s. So look, we got a 46 and we have a 49. So y'all, I'm going to put a 4. I need to put the 6 first and then the 9. Y'all, when I'm doing my stem and leaf plot, I want to put my numbers in numerical order. Okay, so the smallest number and then the next one, so on and so forth, okay? It looks like those are the only 40s we have. Let's see, we have some 50s. It looks like we have a 52, and I think that's my smallest 50. So I'm going to put a 5 here and a 2. And then it looks like we have a 53 right there and another 53. So I'm going to put a 3 and another 3. And then it looks like we have a 54 right here. So I'm going to put a 4, okay? And then it looks like we have a 55 right up there. So I'm going to put a 5 over here. And then I don't see a 56, I don't see a 57, but y'all, I do see a 58 right there, okay? So it looks like those are all my 50s. Okay, now let's go for the 60s. So I'm gonna put a 6 right here, and let me see what 60s we have. Looks like we have a 64 right there, so I'm gonna put a 4. It looks like we might have two 65s, so I'm gonna put a 5 here and another 5 right there. Y'all, I don't see any 66s, but I do see a 67 and I also see a 69. So a 7 and a 9, right? Okay, so now let me go ahead and go to my 70s. Well, we actually have a 70 right here. Okay, so that's a 7 and a 0. Then we got a 71, so my 1's going to go right here. No 72s. No 73s, but it does look like we have a 74. And then we have a 76. And we have a 77. And then finally, y'all, it looks like we have one number in the 80s, and that's an 83. Okay, so this is what my stem and leaf plot, y'all, should look like. And let's see. So, y'all, when I read through the problem right here, it says the data below shows the number of car thefts in a day for a period of 20 days. Okay, so, y'all, these are 20 days here. Now, it says what percent of the 20 days had more than 55 cars stolen? Y'all, so I wanted more than 55. So 55 is not more than itself, but I am going to take 58. Okay, and then let's see. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So y'all, 12 out of the 20, okay? What I'm gonna do here, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and convert that to a decimal. So let me get my calculator. Let me clear this out. What's 12 divided by 20? Okay, let's make that into a decimal. And then multiply it by 100. So y'all, we should be getting 60%. So right here, 60% of the days had more than 55 cars stolen. Okay, y'all have any questions? Let me know.